Um, this is the craziest elephant I never seen in my whole life. If you're trying to get closer over there, you will make sure you have to make sure that you are ready to run. Um, this is Wood Road, Victoria Falls. This is Hood Road. This is Hood Road, Victoria Falls. And this is this is Wood Road. This is Hood Road, Victoria Falls. As you can see, this elephant is crazy. I don't know where this man is going. This is the craziest elephant I never see. And I don't know what he's doing over there. I don't know what he's trying to do. Oh, he's going in drifting. That is drifting lodge. And this one over here, it's the Victoria Falls Manor Lodge. And now he's coming on this side, so now I have to move. It's a male one.